Sawubona is a Zulu greeting that means I see you. Not just that I physically see you, but I see, recognize, and value the dignity in you. I see the worthiness of your existence. I understand that because we are inescapably intertwined, that your life and your health is just as essential as mine. Who you are is a reflection of who I am. And because of that, I want you to be the best that you can be. Unfortunately, for many people, the doctor's office is the last place that they are seen. It is where they fight to be believed. The doctor's office is the last place that they are heard, the last place that they are recognized. And when there is this delicate balance in between who lives and who dies, I'm asking you to see me. I live in a world with studies that do not include me, organ transplant lists that exclude me, medicines that never account for me, science that has repeatedly doubted me, illnesses that impact me overlooked. Instead of believing me, they believe what they read in a book that is filled with long-held misconceptions and deceptions about my pain and my suffering and what you believe that we should be able to endure. You see, pain is simply pain, and illness is simply illness. The color of my skin should not determine if you see me, if you will treat me, if in me you see the totality of a person. Understand everything that I bring into the room with me, historically and currently. You see, with me, I bring Tuskegee. I bring Dr. James Sims' legacy. I bring the reality of Henrietta Lacks, the sterilization of women that look like me, the failure to treat drug addiction of Black people, the failure to treat babies born addicted, the failure to believe Black mothers. This is not about wealth. Black people didn't fight to put themselves in poor health. And I know that you are taught about the social determinants, but I'm asking you to use Sawubona, see deeper, see what is happening in this nation. It isn't about the economy. This is about seeing another person's humanity. There is something terribly wrong when one of the richest and most celebrated Black athletes in this nation almost dies in childbirth. There is something terribly wrong when Dr. Susan Moore, a Black doctor, has to go live from her hospital bed before dying from COVID-19 and declaring this is how Black people get killed. You send them home and they don't know how to fight for themselves. So who's gonna fight for us? Who will believe us? Who will champion for us? Who will advocate for us? Who will have the courage to say enough? Who has the courage to do something different, because that is what this moment is demanding. This pandemic has forced us to see what this nation has done and what this nation has willfully ignored. You see, we aren't just fighting one pandemic. We are fighting two pandemics. We are fighting for our health. And we are fighting to survive, and both of them are killing us. This is medical injustice. And the only way this can change is if you see us and have the power not just to see us, but see who we are and understand everything that shows up in the room with us. Look beyond what you physically see and look through the eyes of humanity and see us. Sawubona, thank you.